If you're looking for a fast and easy way to set up a QR code for online donations in Unicode, this guide will walk you through it step by step. But before you jump in, there's one key thing you need to know. While Unicode is a solid tool, there are better options depending on your needs. Stick around because, at the end, I'll show you an alternative that not only makes QR donations easier, but also comes with an exclusive extended free trial just for our viewers. Let's get started. First, log into Unicode and head to the QR code generator. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for their free trial, but be aware that some features are locked behind paid tiers. Next, select the URL QR code option. This is the easiest way to direct donors to your payment page. Just copy your PayPal, Stripe, GoFundMe, or any donation link and paste it into the URL field. Unicode will instantly generate a scannable QR code. Now, customization. Unicode allows you to change the colors, add a logo, and tweak the design, but keep in mind that advanced branding options require a paid plan. Some users find the customization a bit limiting compared to other QR code generators. After that, test your QR code. Before sharing, scan it with your phone to ensure it leads directly to your donation page. One common complaint with Unicode is that the analytics dashboard can be a bit overwhelming, so if you're looking for an easy way to track donation conversions, there are better alternatives. Finally, download and share your QR code. You can print it on flyers, add it to emails, or embed it on a website. Unicode supports multiple file formats, but some users report that high-resolution downloads require a premium upgrade. Now, here's the issue. While Unicode works, it's not the best option if you want more customization, simpler tracking, and better free tier features. That's why I've included an exclusive extended free trial to a better alternative in the description. It makes setting up QR codes for donations easier, with more design flexibility, in-depth tracking, and no paywalls on essential features. Check it out through our link to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Thanks for watching!